first time I've ever seen him do this. And he's on the living room floor. I don't know how he ended up like this. Oh, his little feet are just up. He's blinky. And if I try to, like, move his legs so he can lay down, he puts it back. He doesn't want to. Okay, now he's... Oh, no, he's going back. I thought this was very interesting. Sammy! Sammy! Sammy, wake up, baby. He's laughing. Are you playing a joke on mommy? Huh? Sammy?